Hey everyone, in this video we're going to fix Valorant Error Code VAN79. This error usually appears when the game can't connect properly to Riot servers because one of the essential services, like Vanguard or the virtual disk service, isn't running. It can also happen if Vanguard is corrupted, your Windows system is outdated, or there's a network configuration issue. The first thing you should do is check that the required services are running. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run window. Type services.msc and hit Enter. In the list, scroll down and find VGC, then double-click it. If the service is stopped, click Start, set the startup type to Automatic, click Apply, and then OK. Next, look for a virtual disk, double-click it, and do the same. Start the service and set it to Automatic. Once both services are running, close the window and try launching Valorant again. If the problem persists, the next solution is to reinstall Riot Vanguard. Open the Windows search bar and type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type SC delete VGC and press Enter. Then type SC delete VGK and press Enter again. Close the window and restart your computer. After that, go to the Program Files folder on your main drive, open the Riot Vanguard folder, and delete it completely. Then open the Riot client, sign in, go to the Valorant tab, and click Update. This will reinstall Vanguard automatically. Restart your PC again, and then launch Valorant. If you're still getting the VAN79 error, it might be because your Windows isn't fully updated. To check, open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install every available update and restart your system. Updated system components can often fix compatibility issues with Vanguard or the Riot client. You can also try resetting your network settings to fix possible network-related causes. Open Command Prompt again as administrator and type netsock winsock reset and then press Enter. After that, type ipconfig/flush DNS and hit Enter. These commands clear your DNS cache and reset your network socket settings, which can help fix connectivity issues. Once done, restart your computer and test Valorant. Finally, try running Valorant as an administrator to make sure it has all the permissions it needs. Right-click the Valorant icon on your desktop and select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator, and also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Launch the game again to see if the error is gone. Following these steps should help you fix Valorant when it's stuck on the loading screen. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and share it with your squad so everyone's ready for Battlefield 6.